Hello, guys. As I told you last Saturday on my live, that the earning news for Facebook and Apple is this week, and today we have Facebook earning news, and Facebook has gapped down like $15 down. So that's why I told you always try to check. Now let's go to see what's going on with Facebook. So as you can see, Facebook today it was a good day. It goes $5.44. But the problem after the market hours, you can see, as you can see here, at 4:05. The news come. Now it was good news, but there is a gap down. And as I told you before, this is what happened always and sometimes. From 4:05, we get the news and they shorted very, very quick in 5 minutes. 4:10 minutes, and you have all $13 going down. As you can see, you see here, I will show it to you. Now, 4:05, the news, after 5 minutes, it means 4:10 minutes, the stock has gone to 209 down. It was 223. It goes to 29, so it means $13 down. After 10 minutes p.m. all the way to 8 o'clock, so there is nothing going on here, okay? So if you are a day trader, you should see these 5 minutes first, because this is where the action is. You should be a day trader, you should be listening to the news, and you take action when you see the thing, okay? So this is what happened to Facebook, although the earning news was good. Okay? The earning news for Facebook was good, and they make more money. But understand that day traders, they control this. So unfortunately, for me, I told my guys on Friday, when I do this, when I give them information of the market, I told them I am out. I am out because the earnings, it's very dangerous and it's a bit of gambling. Now, what about Apple? So Apple will be tomorrow after the market close. So is it the same? It will be. Will it be the same as Facebook, or it will be better? So here is the chart. As you can see, Apple has been doing good these 2 days, but we have a gap down here because of Trump thing. But understand, tomorrow what will happen? Since the earning news will be after the market close, so what will happen is tomorrow it could be good, it could be bad day. This is normal. Don't worry about this, because the earning has nothing to do with the days before, or what we see here, for example, the uptrend. It has nothing to do with that. Earning news is the day traders who decide. So it could be, for example, it could be $20 more. It could be $20 down. Okay? So it could be it go to, let's say, $304 down, because now it's 324. Let's say tomorrow it goes up a little bit, $2 or $3, or it goes down $2 or $3 down. So this will not affect anything, and then we will have the gap up or gap down. Now for me, I'm expecting from $15 to $20, either gap up or gap down. This is what I expect. Okay? So, but no one knows. So, guys, As I told you before in all my videos when I explain the earnings, and I told you that there is no way to know what will happen. If you are a day trader, you want to do day trading, tomorrow after the market close, you should see what the analysts have said about Apple, and then you hear the news when the company is announcing. You should see this online. You hear the voice of the guy who is announcing the news, and you compare, and you see the chart in your broker. If you have a broker that will stay until 8 o'clock, okay, because you will never know. Maybe you buy at 5 o'clock, the stock is going up, and then your broker at 6 o'clock it will stop working to the exchange, and you will have problem to exit if you are a day trader. So you should know your broker first before you do selling short or buying long. And understand that if you are a day trader, you should exit before 8 p.m. You should. If you are a day trader, okay? If you are, for example, a swing trader, this is another thing. You should wait to the next day. So, as I told you, tomorrow will be decisive for Apple. I'm expecting from $15 to $20 up or down, gap up or gap down. So I will tell you a story that before people they can get this precise information from the company itself. Now this is cheating, and other time in USA the market was so wild. There is no government organization that defines the rules. So people they can get the information. For example, the company of the CEO of a company or an executive, he knows the report that, for example, the company has better earnings than the analyst. Okay, let's say the analyst they say there will be $1. For example, $1 earning per share, and the company that says we have $5. It means it's something that it is so good, 500% of what the analysts say. So what will it make the stock? The stock can go 100%. And this is what happened before. That these guys are just bribing the executives. They give them the information, and what they do, they buy confidently. If the information are bad, what they do, they sell short before the market close. And suppose that earning news is after the market close. So before 4 o'clock, they do millions of shares selling short. And because they know the news will be bad, so they just wait until the other day trader they sell short after him. So after 1 hour, 2 hours, he will be making more millions dollars and easily. Okay, this is what happened before. But in 1934, the USA government, has created the Security Exchange Commission. It governs the stock market in general, and it doesn't leave these guys play. So it says, I will punish anyone who give information, especially the CEO and the executives of a company, if they doubt, and the traders who do this, they will be charged of cheating and doing what we call insider trading. Okay? And, insider trading has two meanings. Okay, so don't be confused when, for example, executive he sold his shares or he sold half. This happen always, and this is shown. So this is not what I mean by insider trading. Insider trading is when you get information that the public doesn't know, especially earning news. Okay? So there is no insider trading like this, and there is no cheating, because if anyone caught, he will get punished. So be careful for tomorrow, guys. If you are an investor, it doesn't matter gap up or gap down. So you will stay, because you are staying for this kind of things. For example, you are investing in Apple. It's not because earning news you will get out or get down. It's not because there is a bad day you should exit Apple. Okay, so understand that that investing is so different from trading. But trading, you see something coming and you don't know. So this is earning news. If you are a swing trader and you stay, this is a big gambling. So either you accept it. If you have a gap down, you accept it, and you don't regret it. Okay? Sometimes I do it in my trading, but I don't regret it. If I have a gap down and I am long, I just blame myself. It is my mistake. But sometimes when I get a gap up, I am very happy. It is my decision. So you should have your own decision. If you are scared, never stay. Before the market close, and you see that the earning is after the market close, so before 4, like 3:45, you just exit. You don't want to have trouble. What if you have a gap up with $15 or $20? You will lose a lot of money. Now I understand that when you get $15 or $20, it means if you buy 100 shares, you will get $1,500 or $2,000 in one day. That is too good. But understand that it is a bit gambling. Either you make or you lose $2,000. This is up to you. Okay? So thank you very much. And please, guys, the announcement for my subscription, understand that we have only 2 days. People who are interested to get my training, which is 13 training, they are for free if you subscribe to my golden subscription in these 2 days, Thursday and Friday. Now Saturday there will be no training in my subscription. It means I can explain, but you don't find the training, and you earn the training by each month. When you stay, you get one training. So guys, if you are interested, please subscribe. At least 1 month, you check yourself. And guys, if you have questions, you will find my email in the bottom here, like on the description. You find my email. Just send me an email, and if you have questions. And our live will be always on Saturdays at 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. So guys, have your question ready, and we will talk about another subject. If you guys have a subject in mind, you can send it to me, and I will talk about it next Saturday. Okay? So thank you very much, and have a nice day.